Hey folks, what I'm showing you today, I bought this on Amazon, this spotting scope. It's an eMarth Tech spotting scope. It's a 20 by 60 magnification with a 60mm lens. I've been looking at these scopes for quite a while. Never really knew what I was supposed to be looking for, and I could not believe I stumbled across this for $20 and change on Amazon. And I just figured, give it a try for $20. And of course, free shipping because my wife's got the Prime. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. And I actually got on YouTube and looked up some of the reviews. And they were pretty good. I couldn't believe it. Most people said they paid around $100. Then you see a few that they did like quick sales or that kind of stuff and got it for $70 or $80. Let's see what it looks like. They have an instruction book. Not too bad. Feels nice. Nice and rugged feeling. Got the lens cover. Has the sunshade slide. Slide that out like so. Takes the glare off the lens. The only reason I know all this is what I learned from the YouTube videos. It feels really good. So, that's the scope. Here's your tripod. And I guess your scope mounts right up like so. Guess you can mount it any way you want. Actually looks pretty good. I guess you can tighten and adjust any way you need to. Very nice. So, what else is that? Oh, I see. This is a lens adapter. I believe it goes on near the end here. Slips on. I'm not sure exactly how it goes on here. For putting a regular camera on the end of it. I didn't realize until I looked at it further that it only adapts to a certain kind of camera. When I ordered this, they actually had a snap over, so your cell phone could go right on over the eyepiece. I should have ordered that with it, so we could get some decent video of how it looks. All in all, it looks pretty good. Feels good. I have to see how it looks. I'm going to take it out tomorrow morning. Oh, that's a lens cleaning wipe. Cover back on. Actual one on there because I was looking at spotting scopes that were 10 times the amount of this money, and I don't know what the difference of them is. Maybe I'm sure guys will say, oh, you know, you need a certain this, certain that, but I don't do that much of it. So hopefully we'll take it out tomorrow morning and test it out and see what you think. We've got it set up. This is really nice, as you can see. Way out there. That trailer. If you can see on the right top corner, there's a warning sign. I don't know whether you can do this, but we'll try. I should have gotten an adapter. I don't think it's not very good, but you can see it. Very good. So, I would say this is a wonderful deal at $20.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of exactly where I got it. I thank you folks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're always putting different things on. And hopefully you'll come back and see us soon. Have a great day.